Welcome to our channel. If you are new here, subscribe and hit the like button. Alright, what are we going to see today? How blockchain works. Today, we're breaking down blockchain technology in the simplest way possible. No tech jargon, just an easy explanation you can understand in minutes. What is blockchain? Blockchain is like a digital notebook shared across thousands of computers worldwide. It records transactions in a way that's secure, transparent, and impossible to change.
How does blockchain store data? Every time someone makes a transaction, it's packaged into a block. These blocks are linked together chronologically, forming a chain, hence the name blockchain. Decentralization. Unlike a bank, blockchain has no central authority. The ledger is shared across thousands of computers, meaning no one can cheat the system or alter past records.
Security. Each block is locked with complex mathematics called cryptography. Once information is recorded, it's nearly impossible to hack or change without everyone noticing.
Verification. Before a new block is added, multiple computers check and agree the transaction is valid. This prevents fraud and builds trust between users.
Uses of blockchain. Cryptocurrency. Smart contracts. Supply chains. Voting systems. Blockchain powers cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but it's also used for smart contracts, secure supply chain tracking, and even digital voting systems.
Final thoughts. Blockchain is transforming the digital world, making transactions more trustworthy and secure without relying on middlemen like banks. If this explainer helped you understand blockchain, hit like, subscribe for more tech explainers, and comment blockchain future below. See you in the next one.